Hey fellow entrepreneurs, in this video I'm going to teach you about this application that I just found that has paid me $15.62 in the last while by doing no work at all. This is completely passive because this application just needs to run on your mobile device. And this is not going to be a make you rich application. This is not going to be a sustainable form of income. But what I do like about this, it's another one of those awesome strategies you can use to make easy and free money online that you can use to invest into something more sustainable, like the awesome business model and free training I'm going to give to you at the end of this video. And throughout this video, you've got nothing to lose because this is a completely free application. You can do this anywhere in the world. You can log on anytime and run this application. And throughout this video, I'm actually going to download the application and take you through the app step by step and show you how it works and how you're going to earn with it. So if you're ready for this value-packed video, this is a really easy way to make some money online. So I suggest you pay attention to this because a lot of people can do this and earn from this. But without further ado, let's hop into my computer and get straight into it. So we are now inside of my computer and I am right here on the website of this application where you can download this application. I'm actually going to download it just in a bit and take you through it with me. But you can see right here, this application, get money from your Android phone. We pay you for every minute of the time when you do nothing. So this application is completely passive and I'm going to show you why and how now. And I'm also going to show you on a bit the website where you can get this application and how you can download it. But first you can see right here, if we read a little bit through the website, you can actually see the methods that they pay out. PayPal, which is the main way that we want to get paid, the international way of getting paid, Amazon gift cards, Play Store gift cards, iTunes gift cards, PlayStation and Xbox gift cards, and you can see there's a ton of questions that a lot of people are asking. It is an Android app that allows you to earn extra income while you're doing nothing. Is it free to use? It's completely free to use, so you have nothing to lose by downloading this. It is supported by Android phones with 2.0 and the minimum payout is only $1. So it's not like you need 20, 30, 40 USD or US dollars like most applications. So you can pretty much cash out instantly with this application. And then more or less towards halfway through this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can actually multiply your earnings twice the amount by using another strategy. And there's actually another trick that you can use with this application. You can see right here, you can have as many phones as you want on your account, but the limit at the moment is 4 phones running simultaneously per IP address. So the more phones you connect, the more you can earn. But what you can do to bypass this is if you run multiple devices on like a VPN or multiple browsers, tabs, or the application on multiple devices that's connected to a different network, you can actually multiply your earnings by like 4 or 5 times the amount by just doing that. And you can see right here, you don't need to perform any tasks or watch any ads or play any games, and earnings will come in automatically and passively, which I really like about this. And you can actually see right here, prepare to earn several times more. So only 2 months of working with this application, you can buy another phone, or if you have another spare phone, if one of your friends have a spare phone that works for you around the clock, and you can install that application on that phone too and earn double the amount of money. But that's not the bonus I want to show you on how you can 2 times your income with this app. There's actually another bonus that I'm going to show you on top of this, which I really like as well. So what you need to do is you need to come to this website, cashmagnetapp.com, or you can come to Google and you can go Cash Magnets APK download, and you'll see there's a website where you can download the application or the app on your mobile phone and install it from there. And I've actually got it right here on my mobile device. This is an Android emulator for my computer where I can run Android apps. So I've installed the Cash Magnet app on my Android device. I'm going to open this up. You'll see it will open up here in a new tab like a mobile phone, and I'm going to take you through the sign up process and how you're going to earn with this application. So you can see you will need to sign up an account. So I'm going to click on sign up. I'm going to enter in my email and password, and there we go. Now once you've signed in, it's going to say Cash Magnet is an application that offers you a new way of making money with your smartphone connected to the internet. You don't have to do anything, just start the program that will run on your phone and earn you money. You will be rewarded for every minute while it is running on your phone. Keep in mind that you will not be able to use your mobile device during this process. So what I suggest with this, leave it like overnight, or any, let's say you're out at the movies or out at a meeting, leave this application running during the time you aren't on your mobile phone. And there we go. I'm now on the home screen of my mobile device, and this is what it looks like. So you can see my balance is already at 10 points. If I click on the menu button, there's like a big menu bar here. You can actually click on earn more, and here is a way where you can actually refer people to this application and get paid for that. And the best part about this is there's a 2-level referral system, so any referral that your referral refers, you're going to get a small commission of that as well. It's like a form of direct selling. And you can see right here, if I click on redeem, you can get paid out a minimum of $1. So $1 is basically equivalent to 1,000 points. See right here, PayPal $5, $10, $25, $50 US, and you can also get paid out via Bitcoin, which is really good. And you can see right here, if I come over to my dashboard, you can see you can see any statistics. You can click on the levels button. So currently I'm at level 1. To get to level 2, you need 50 points, and the higher the levels you go, the more you're going to earn. So if I click on the home button, you can see all the various different tasks or the different applications that I can run. And then if you click start, this application will then start running and doing research on your phone, on various apps that you play, on various apps that you open, and you're going to earn money for that every single month. But the best way to earn on this application as well is definitely the referral program. So if I come back to the referral program, you can share this link with any of your friends and get paid good commissions and passive commissions doing so. And then as a bonus for you guys, I've actually included another application called Inbox Dollars, where you're going to get a $5 bonus for signing up. And you'll see right here, same thing, brands pay this website for consumer input. Then this website will recruit members like you, and basically you do online activities, you can do paid surveys, paid videos, you watch videos online, you can redeem free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping and more, and you're going to earn real cash straight to your PayPal account using this application. So here are the 6 different things that you can do. You can get paid to read emails, you can get cash back for shopping, online surveys. You can see right here, most surveys pay money from $0.50 to $5 and take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to complete. So $5 in just 25 minutes is a good amount of pay. Some surveys pay even $10 or $20, which is really good. You can also watch videos, and you can get rewarded for playing games online. And right here, I've got actually another awesome bonus for you guys. And this application is actually going to pay you. You can win up to $1,000 for just answering a couple of questions right on a trivia game show on this application called swagbuckslive.com. This application is available on both the App Store and the Play Store. And you can see right here, Swagbucks Live is a trivia game show where you test your knowledge to win huge cash prizes. It's free, and it's completely free to do. You can download the application, and you've got nothing to lose by trying this. So you can see here, every single day, every weekday, their hosts will ask you a series of questions. They will present you with the application, or on the application, it's multiple choice answers, so there's no long theory questions. It's either A, B, C, or D. And the best part is they also give second chances on the grand prize. And there's actually a list of the people earning on this application, which you can open in a new tab, or the leaderboard. And you can actually see right here, the number 1 person, $500, $493, $460, $444, $395. And people are earning over and over. Multiple people are earning on multiple quizzes, meaning that more than one person can win at the same time because there's multiple quizzes. So if I come over to the frequently asked questions, you can see right here, you can actually use a referral feature to refer friends and family to try this as well. And if they also get answers on that right on the trivia question app, you can earn a commission for the amount of money they earn for referring them, which I really like. So this can become passive as well. And I suppose if you have 2 phones on you, you could also use Google if you want to. You can see right here, simple questions like this. What year did NASA first land on the moon? 1969, 66, or 1970? In what year did NASA first land on the moon, which was 1969? You can see the amount of people that answered this correct, and you get an amount of points every time you answer this correct. And I think if you get like a certain percentage, like 90% or even 100%, that's where you can win $500, up to $500 in cash prize for doing that. And you can see right here, you have won $500 for winning this trivia question. But let's say you've now earned your $15 on these 2 websites. What I want you to do is I want you to click on this video that I'm going to have up on the screen. It's going to take you to a free training video on how I built a $5,000 drop servicing business live, and you can use that $25 to invest into the Facebook ad strategy that I have more or less towards the end of this video. But make sure to go and watch this video and check it out, because this is something that can really, it's a business model I've been running for the last 5 years, and it is very sustainable because it consists of a very high income skill that pays very well. So this is a free course that I've put together for you guys. It's completely free. I don't ask for your mail. I don't ask for any of your emails, but make sure to go and click on this, and I'll see you on that side.